Hi, I'm Dr. Beth Kailes, and welcome to Growing Healthy Smiles. Our mission is to provide exceptional dental care for infants, children, young adults, and patients with special needs in a safe, state-of-the-art environment with a focus on prevention and education for families. Many people ask why they should see a pediatric specialist for their child. Pediatric dentists are dentists just for kids. We have additional years of training beyond dental school, and that gives us a unique and thorough understanding of children and their dental needs. Our caring, friendly team is highly trained to be able to communicate with kids in a way that they can understand. The American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry recommends that children make their first visit to the dentist by age 1 or within 6 months of getting their first tooth. We call this the Baby and Me visit. Specifically designed for children under the age of 2, this is a great opportunity to introduce your child to dentistry in a fun and positive way. An exam will be performed to check your child's teeth for decay and proper eruption, and you'll learn the best ways to give your child's teeth a healthy start in life. Parents are always allowed to go back with their children. We encourage parents to get involved by learning how their child can prevent decay with proper home care and diet. X-rays may be taken depending on your child's age and dental needs. If your child is cavity-free at their checkup, they will become a member of our No Cavity Club and be entered into a drawing for a special prize. Primary teeth are important to your child's future dental health. They aid with proper chewing and eating, guide in the eruption of permanent teeth, they aid in speech development, and add to an attractive appearance. If a baby tooth is lost too soon, the permanent tooth may not come in correctly. Your child's general health can be affected if diseased baby teeth are not treated. If your child requires dental treatment, we are able to complete most dental procedures with local anesthesia. However, for the very young or fearful child, nitrous oxide sedation and IV sedation are available treatment options. If your child has a dental emergency, call our office as soon as possible. We will make every effort to see your child in a timely manner. We also have a 24-hour emergency line if your child has a dental emergency when our office is closed. We love to make each appointment special, from picking out fun-flavored toothpaste and a cool toothbrush to getting a sticker and toy for a job well done.
Growing Healthy Smiles is located across the street from Fleming Island High School, convenient for families living in Fleming Island, Eagle Harbor, Orange Park, Green Cove Springs, Middleburg, and other neighborhoods in Clay County. Learn more at teamkailes.com.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.